this is the magnetron unit, full unit. Also you have to remove this unit from the scanner unit, and after that this is the magnetron. Also the magnetron, it looks like this. Okay, this is a new original magnetron. It has two leads, and we have to open this part, open this cover. After opening the cover, you come to know. After opening the cover, you come to know the magnetron lies here. See, and it is last time changed on 29th of December. So you have to install this one. For that we have to desoldering this part and solder this one. Okay. Report what this magnet will give the wave guide to this place here.
നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ്